Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I just want to give TubeBuddy a shout out and just show you the 3 things I find most awesome about TubeBuddy, and I use it for every single video I upload. First, once I hit that upload button, I find the video I just created. I just made one about a Tinkercad circuit, and while it's loading, the first thing I do is use my cool tag tools. So if you slide down, you can put import tag list, and I have been saving my tag list so that they're ready. So right now I made a Tinkercad circuit video. When I click that and choose insert, it pops them all in. I have my defaults, so a lot of times you can see I went over the 500. All I do is click sort and I remove the duplicates, apply and close, and double check to see if I am under the 500 mark. I am exactly at 500. So just like that, I was able to add my tags, get to the exact number I needed way faster than my old technique where I used to open a previous video, copy the tags, and paste them in. So that is number 1, the first thing that I do that I love. So the second game changer for me with every video is to quickly scroll down when it's done uploading and apply my card templates. This is such a time saver. I just pick the lesson that I think is coolest, or the template that is coolest to go with that lesson, and pop! I can drop them in with one click and apply them. And then the last crazy cool technique that I use with every video I create is my thumbnail generator. You need to give it a little bit of time to get up there, like a minute or 2. Then you can grab a still frame, and when you find the frame you want, like I'm going to use this one right here, you can simply hit continue and then bring in your templates for your title so you can quickly whip up a title. It's real easy to rearrange so that they fit the way your new project works. I want this to be a little bit different so that you can see the whole Arduino. I'll shrink that down, get rid of my smart code sign, and just adjust this so that it does what I want and creates a high quality thumbnail that gives the people the information they need super fast. If you've got a piece you don't want from your old template, you simply hit delete, and then you can add new images. You could already have them uploaded, or if you've got something you want to add, you can upload a new one. I'm going to add a cool I love you dad one because this is a Father's Day project for me. When you bring it in, you can arrange it to the right size and put it where you want. I'm going to put this over here nice and large because that is the main point. It is for Father's Day. And then I'm going to change this to say fun and fast and arrange it so it looks the way I want. And just like that, I have got my cool thumbnail created and I can publish it. It double checks to make sure you want to, and I'm going to say yes. And then you can click close and go about checking through your checklist. Alrighty friends, so just to wrap up, there are 3 main things that I love. There are many things that I do love, but the 3 main things are being able to reuse my tags, being able to add cards in one click, and then last but not least, that sweet thumbnail generator. I do use the checklist. I do use so many other things from TubeBuddy, but I just wanted to highlight those 3 things that have changed everything I do when it comes to my workflow for putting a new movie out. Alrighty friends, so I am a TubeBuddy affiliate, and I'll put my affiliate code down below. If you want to use that to go check out TubeBuddy, you can. There are lots of ways to get cool free trials and actually have them extend for quite a while, so you really get your feet wet and find out if you want to actually pay for the TubeBuddy service, which I'm going to have to say I think I'm going to end up doing because I just find it so useful. So my friends, if you found the video useful, please hit the like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.